How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change a name on TikTok before the 7 days, there isn't a direct way, but let me show you a workaround. For this, you'll be needing a TikTok application, so go ahead and click on TikTok and make sure to log in into your account. If your TikTok is not up to date, make sure to update it as well. Now in your bottom right, you will see a profile icon which you need to tap on. Then from here at the top, you will see the three horizontal line. Go ahead and click on it. Then head over to settings and privacy. Right here in the settings and privacy, you can scroll down until you see the option of report a problem. That would be under support and about. Click on the given option. Now, right from here, you can just go ahead and search for the issue, or you can just click on account and profile. Then click on editing profile. From here, click on unable to change username. Then from here, tap on the no button. After which you can head back and click on the option of updating name. Then again, click on the no button and tap on need more help. After which it will take you to the TikTok help desk, where you can actually message them regarding an issue of why you can't change the name since you have not extended the 7 days. Now to make it convincing, make sure to enter such thing as that you have accidentally edited your name wrong, or someone was messing up with you or something like that, and you can also share a screenshot regarding the issue. And after this, TikTok team will help you to change your name before 7 days. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.